In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a quick selection icon, so you can select all aspects of your rig and key it quickly. So there's a couple of ways of doing it. I'll show you both ways, just in case you have a preference. A really quick, easy way is to do this. With my rig, everything that I need to key is a NURB circle. All of these things are made from NURB circles. So I can just go show none and then just show NURBS curves here, and then just select the things that I want to be able to key. So it's all of them apart from the big controller one there. So I've just deselected that one there, and then I can just go to the create menu, and under here we've got quick selection set, and I can just call this the monster's name, which is the Glark, and add it to the shelf, and look, we get this icon here. So if I then show all, and if I want to key everything, I can just click on that, press S, and then I could pose this hand over here like so. Click on that again, press S, and that's keyed everything. So look, even though look, this has got a key here and here, if I pick his foot control as well, look, that's also got a keyframe, a key tick there, and so on. So that's an easy way. The problem with that is when I reload the model, if I go open scene and I reload my Glark stand pose here, I don't think it will work. Yeah, look at errors, it doesn't work. So you can do that on a file load Maya session basis kind of thing, but it's a bit rubbish because obviously every time you load up the Glark or your animated character, you've got to redo that. So look, I'm going to delete that icon here, and I'll show you a better way of doing it on a character based way. If we load up the script editor down here, and I select everything I want, so I'll do it the same way again. I go show none and just show NURBS curves. I'm going to be a bit more careful this time because I just want to get one line of script, so I'm just going to select like this so I don't include that circle at the bottom. And what I need to do now is just copy this line, this script here. It's a bit long actually. Let me just maximize this window. There it is. Look, just all of that line there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to middle drag that onto my shelf. Let me just, there we go, press the middle mouse button, drag it up here onto my shelf, make it a mel script, and close that window down. And that should work like so. So show all, and let's just test that out. Pick everything, press S, go to say frame 10 and pose them again. Like this. And let other things, yep, everything's getting keyed. If I pick them, I can see they've got key tick. So that's a good way of working. And if you reload your character now, it should work because it's just based on the names of the components of the rig. So it should just work every time. So I'm just loading this in, click on that icon again, it selects everything. You can name it as well if you want to. Obviously, this will just be in your preferences to whichever Maya you're using. So if you're using it at university, this won't copy this preference to your computer at home. You can obviously copy your preferences over if you want to, but you might have to create this for your computer at home as well. But you can go to your shelf editor here, and if I go down, look, this is the command here. I can give it a label, so I could call it Glark, like this, and save all shelves, and then it's got a little label on it like so. So that's probably the best way to do it.